Contrasting centuries from man of the match Shimron Hetmyer and Shea Hope led the West Indies to an 8-wicket win over India in the first of 3 one-day internationals in Chennai on Sunday. Here's Renardo Brown.
Needing 288 runs for victory, the West Indies lost opener Sunil Ambrose for 9 with a score 11 for 1. However, the dismissal paved the way for a match-winning 218-run second-wicket partnership between Hope and Hetmyer to take the Caribbean men to within touching distance of the win. Hetmyer, as usual, was the main aggressor, hitting 11 fours and 7 sixes in a 106-ball knock of 139. His innings, for the most part, was chanceless as he overshadowed Shea Hope, who anchored the Windies to victory. Hope eventually brought up his 8th ODI century of 149 deliveries, the slowest by a West Indian in limited overs history. Hope was there at the end as the Caribbean side got to victory at 291 for 2, with Nicholas Puran unbeaten on 29. No earlier Jamaican Sheldon Cottrell claimed 2 for 46 from his 10 overs, as India were restricted to 287 for 8. Rispa Pant top scored for the hosts with 71, while Shreyas Iyer made 70. Windies captain Karen Pollard praised Hetmyer for his man-of-the-match performance.
We know the talent that he possesses. He has been struggling, a bit, the last couple, say 9 months or so, and, he has been under a lot of pressure, but, as I said, it's about roles and responsibilities, and it's a situation of us, just trying to give him the understanding, of a role and a responsibility, as well, because at the end of the day, he has been around, for about, 18 months or so, so he has had that taste of international cricket, and a guy doesn't come in international cricket and have 400s in the space that, he did. So tonight he made it a 5th, so I think as a management group, I think we are very, very happy and proud of him.
The second ODI will be played on Wednesday. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.